Are your synthetic boho braids trash at 3 weeks? Watch this. I am going to wash and revive these synthetic boho braids so it lasts weeks longer. First, I'm drenching the hair in hot water, and I grip the hair right past where the braids end and hold the hair right under the hot water so that it serves as a detangler when brushing through the synthetic hair. Going in with the 2-in-1 shampoo, focusing on my scalp and the braids. I'm not really focusing on cleansing the synthetic hair. As the product rinses out, it will cleanse the synthetic hair. After I have rinsed the product out in the shower, I'm going to throw my hair in a bun, and I had to run some errands, so this is my hair a couple hours later. Since this bun is stretching my roots, I'm going to go over it with a dryer so I can dry my roots while in this stretch state. After the hair is about 70% dry, I'm going to remove the bun and finger detangle my ends. And look how good this hair looks just after the shampoo. When I initially installed these braids, I did not really add any boho pieces near the roots. So that is what I'm focusing on today. Adding these pieces at the roots is going to camouflage some of that new growth and give this style more of a refreshed look, and also make it not look so flat and the new growth as obvious as it is right now. I want to go in with this Blue Magic Super Grow. I would typically use a leave-in spray, but since I have this synthetic hair in, I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to go in at the roots with this conditioner hair grease. It says for natural styles hair and scalp conditioner, and I picked this up on Amazon. Focusing only on my scalp and the braids, I don't want to grease up the synthetic hair. This is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Braid Your Way 6-in-1 Braid Refresher. Moisturizes, adds shine, refreshes, works on all textures, natural and synthetic hair. And it can be a bit overwhelming if you use too much, so be careful with that. There's always so much negative talk around synthetic boho hair. Shake and Go Organique is gonna do it every time. This is what my scalp is looking like. Okay, let me go ahead and add the pieces in. I'm using Shake and Go Organique, and this is the loose deep wave. Now to camouflage a new growth, I'm going in right along the middle part on both the right and left side, and I'm adding about 6 pieces on each side. I'm also going in with about 6 pieces right around that back top crown area. If I only add hair to the front, then it will make the back look thin, and I want it to look even all around. I decided I wanted the braids to be a bit fuller, so I went in with 2 pieces on my hairline on each side, and then about 3 to 4 pieces on those bottom rows of braids. Look at that, fuller, refreshed, and back to new. Look at the flow. Absolutely. Look at this. Y'all better stop playing with Shake and Go. 3-week boho braids just turned into 5+ weeks. Follow for more braid care that actually works.